Now in this we'll talk about anonymous object. So let's say what is anonymous object. So how to create object of this ABC? The way you creating the object of ABC is this, right? So it is ABC, OBJ and new ABC. Now let's say in this class ABC I have a method called as public void show. And in this show let me print something which is system dot out dot println, and in this I will print, let's say, hello world. So in this show method I am printing a text called as hello world, and let's say I don't have an object here, so let me just delete it. Now since this show method is a non-static method, which means to call this show I need an instance, or I need an object of this ABC. That means to call show I need an object, so we'll say aobj equal to new ABC, and then we can say obj dot show. So the only way to call this show is by using the object. But if we can focus, the only time I'm using this obj is to call this show, right? That means this obj object is used only once. There's no other use of this object. So what we can do is, since this step is, this is creating a reference and this step is creating an object. So what if instead of writing this to this line, let me remove this line, we can simply say instead of writing obj, we can create the object of ABC directly. So we can say it is new ABC dot show. So it will create the instance or the object of ABC, and then we can say dot show. So it is same like aobj equal to new ABC and then that obj dot show. But the only problem is you can use this new ABC only once, is because every time you use this new ABC it will create new instance, right? In fact we can let's run this. If you run this application, so it is hello world. But what if yeah, so it is calling this show, right? But what if we have a constructor here? So we'll say it is ABC, and let me print here it is system dot out dot println, and here let me print in constructor A BC. So tell me one thing, is it the output will be hello world in constructor ABC or in constructor ABC hello world? Which method it will call first, a constructor or a method? Let me run this code. So we say run as application. So you can say it is in constructor A and then hello world, is because before calling show first we need to instantiate, and that is done with the help of constructor. So this object here is called as anonymous object. So anonymous objects are helpful when you want to use only it once. If you want to use it many times, you should not go for anonymous object, you should go for referenced object. And referenced object is this. So you have to create a object aobj equal to new A, or ABC equal to ABC obj equal to new ABC. So this is your referenced object and this is your anonymous object.